guys, Laura here. So today I'm going to be showing you Cookie and Snowy's food. We actually have a massive box just for their food. But guys, this isn't all of their food. We also give them vegetables that are healthy for them. In this small container, we have their millets, which is a little treat we give them often. In this little packet, we have a special food called Rio. It's loads of different types of seeds mixed together and it's really nice, and Cookie and Snowy really enjoy it. In this packet, we have grit, which is actually guffer baked because it helps them digest their food. In this small container, we have a lot of seeds and a little spoon that's hidden in there somewhere. We also give Cookie and Snowy cucumber. They really enjoy it. They also really like peas and carrots.